Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with KK Thompson. What a go on. So today I have been getting a lot of requests how to restream, and so I want to take the time out to show you step by step to the best of my ability. So what I'm going to do, you are going to go into Google and you are going to type Restream IO. There are two types of Restream. You have the paid version and you have the free version. So the paid version is a colored R, just like this one here, but it's colored. The free version is black and white. So you will go ahead and you will press Restream. When you started, ask you to sign up with them. So you're going to go ahead, sign up with them. And then what you can do, if it don't prompt you to start right away, you can just go back to Google and then you will type in the Restream IO again and come to this section. When you come, you're going to see this bottom section here. You're not going to see the top one because this show, because I already linked my YouTube channel to my Restream account. So you will just see that this bottom section here, and you would press enter studio. When you enter studio, you are going to see these. Look at these. You are going to choose the one that look like a phone. You see, this look like a desktop, this look like a phone. Okay, so let it be on this one. Then you're going to go ahead and press this plus button at the bottom, and you are going to go into video storage. When you go into video storage, it's going to take you to this section marked choose a video. This is the desktop version that I'm showing you. It is basically the same on your phone. All you have to do is look for the names of the things that I am telling you. Okay? So if you're seeing it a little bit different, just look for the names that I'm telling you. So you're going to go into choose a video, all right? And you're going to go into upload. You're not going to see anything here. This is my last video that I did, so it is right here. You're going to go into upload video, and you're going to choose from your gallery. It's going to take you to your gallery. And you're going to choose from your gallery the video that you want to use. And when you do that and you press open, it will come to this section and it will upload right here. Okay? When you finish doing that, you are going to go ahead and click on the video. When you click on the video will appear right here and start playing. Okay, listen now, this is very important. When you go to your top right hand corner of this section, you're going to see 3 dots. You're going to press on the dots, and you see here where you have the volume. You can turn it down or you can turn it up to your required. Okay, and most importantly, you're going to loop your video. If you don't loop the video, it is going to play one time and that's it. So you need to remember to loop your videos before you proceed from this section. Okay, so when you loop your video, this arrow here, you can use the arrow. If you don't want to see this black section here on your video, you can use this to maximize the length, so this will go away. Okay, down here you have the video icon and you have the volume icon. You have to keep them off. What? Because this video is going to show you, and this mic is going to let your sound from wherever you are, it's going to play on the live stream. and you don't want them. So you're going to turn this off, you're going to turn this off. Okay, when you finish this, you can go over here to the right and press go live. When you go live, it's going to take you to this section, go live now. However, you have to put in a title and description. You don't have to put in the description, but you have to put in the title. For instance, if I take out this title, let me just show you something. If I take this out, you see the red there, it's not going to allow you to go any further. You notice this is not highlighted. It will not go any further until you put in a title. So let's put in a title, meat, for argument's sake. Okay, so you put in the title. You don't have to put in the description, but you can put in the description if you want. You go next. When you go next, this is where it said add channels. You can add more than one channels to your Restream account. Okay, you can add Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, and the YouTube, of course, at the top. So when you select this section, YouTube, it is going to give you step by step how to link your YouTube channel to your Restream account. Hence why you see my channel name here. You have to do some verification that is actually your channel. So it will give you the steps that you need to do to get to this section. When you get to this section, you're going to turn this on. It will be off. See it off, and you turn it on. Okay, when you turn it on, you go start streaming. I am not going to go start streaming because I already streamed that video that is there, and I am not interested in doing another stream right now. So when you press this streaming, it will go 3, 2, 1 and you are live. Okay, so that is how you restream. Streaming, you will have a section like this over here that you can use. Okay, this is the chat button that you will press on. A blue light will come up here, and you will press on it, and you can chat with your people in the chat. Okay, and you can write your caption. If you want to say subscribe to my channel, like, comment, whatever it is that you want to do, you can do that. And you can highlight it, and you can change the font and the design, whatever you want. This is basically what you do to restream. I hope that this video helped you. You can give me a like on this video. If you have not yet subscribed, you can subscribe to my channel. And if there's anything that you want to ask, you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you for being on my channel, and I'll see you in our next video.